Hey there, JMART here. I've got a fun special effect from AtmosFX. They call it the Boo Crew 3D FX bundle. They got 5 videos in it, and what it is there's 3 ghosts, and they sing songs, they tell some jokes, and it's really cool what you can project it on. What I have in this particular video is, and it's called a illusion projection material, and they sell it on their website, and you just drape it up. And what's really cool about it, in a very low lighting, it actually is see-through, so it'll pick up detail in the background and stuff like that. So all of a sudden, your projection goes on, and this ghost appears, right? And then it will disappear. So it gives this illusion that there's this hologram, and it's really impressive how that works. And I got some video that I took of it, so you guys will be able to see that. Another way that you can project on it is they have a 3D FX form, and what this is kind of like the blow-ups that you buy for your pool. It's just like that. So you blow it up with some air. You can weigh it down by putting some water in it, and it just stands up. And then you take a cloth and you drape it over, and it gives that 3D actual 3D form, and then you project on it, and it looks really cool on that too. And it looks like there's just this ghost that all of a sudden comes alive. That's another way that you can do it. You can see I actually have that set up on my Halloween Haunt 2022 walkthrough. So if you want to see him, you can see that in that video. I'll probably make a video of that as well. So keep an eye out on that, and I'll take a look at it. But yeah, AtmosFX, they have some really cool, fun stuff. So, well, we'll catch you on the next one.